The ultimate inspiration to make money by crafting a unique mini woodworking design business begins with a simple but powerful realization. In a world saturated with mass-produced goods, people are longing for authenticity, meaning, and human connection in the objects they bring into their lives. Modern customers are no longer drawn solely to perfection or uniformity. Instead, they seek items that carry a story, reflect ethical values, and express creativity in a way machines cannot replicate. This shift in mindset has opened an extraordinary opportunity for small-scale woodworking businesses that focus on handcrafted design, sustainable materials, and transparent creative processes. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of profitable mini woodworking design business ideas from small workshop to build big income. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. A mini woodworking business does not need massive machinery or large factory space to succeed. What it needs is vision, craftsmanship, and the courage to create pieces that speak to the heart as much as they serve a functional or decorative purpose. By working on a smaller scale, artisans can focus deeply on quality, originality, and the emotional impact of their creations, which is exactly what today's discerning customers appreciate and are willing to pay for. At the heart of a successful mini woodworking business lies the power of handcrafted design. When a piece is shaped by human hands, it carries subtle imperfections, intentional details, and a sense of individuality that instantly sets it apart from factory-made alternatives. These qualities resonate with modern buyers who want their homes to reflect their personal values and aesthetic preferences. Authentic woodworking celebrates the natural grain of wood, the gentle variations in color, and the honest marks left by tools and time. Rather than hiding these elements, skilled artisans highlight them, transforming each piece into a one-of-a-kind creation. This authenticity becomes a signature, allowing small woodworking businesses to build strong identities that customers recognize and trust. When buyers know that no two pieces are exactly alike, they feel a deeper connection to the product, which strengthens loyalty and encourages repeat purchases. Sustainability plays a central role in this growing appeal. As awareness of environmental issues increases, consumers are actively seeking products that minimize waste and promote responsible resource use. Mini woodworking businesses are uniquely positioned to meet this demand because they often rely on reclaimed wood, salvaged timber, offcuts, or locally sourced materials. By transforming what might otherwise be discarded into beautiful, functional objects, artisans align their craft with eco-conscious values. This not only reduces material costs, but also enhances the story behind each piece. Customers are drawn to the idea that their purchase contributes to a more sustainable world, and they appreciate transparency about where materials come from and how they are used. When creators openly share their sourcing methods and creative process, they build trust and credibility, which are invaluable in today's marketplace. Creativity is another defining element that fuels the success of a mini woodworking design business. Unlike large manufacturers bound by standardized processes and trends, small-scale artisans have the freedom to experiment, innovate, and evolve their designs. This creative flexibility allows them to respond quickly to changing tastes and to develop products that feel fresh and relevant. Whether it is a minimalist shelf, a sculptural decor piece, a small functional item, or a personalized gift, the artisan's imagination becomes the driving force behind each creation. Customers are drawn to this sense of originality because it allows them to express their individuality through the objects they choose. When a piece of woodworking reflects both the maker's vision and the buyer's personality, it becomes more than a product. It becomes a shared expression of creativity. Transparency further strengthens the connection between artisan and customer. Modern buyers want to know who made their products, how they were made, and why certain design choices were made. A mini woodworking business can easily offer this level of openness by sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of the workshop, explaining the inspiration behind each piece, and communicating honestly about the time and skill involved. This transparency humanizes the brand and transforms the purchasing experience into a relationship rather than a transaction. Customers feel valued when they understand the effort behind a handcrafted item, and this understanding often justifies a higher price point. In this way, transparency becomes a powerful tool for both marketing and long-term business sustainability. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. The emotional value of handcrafted woodworking is another key factor that captivates modern customers. Handmade pieces often evoke feelings of warmth, nostalgia, and appreciation for craftsmanship. They remind people of simpler times when objects were built to last and were cherished rather than replaced. In a fast-paced, disposable culture, these emotions carry significant weight. When a customer invests in a handcrafted wooden item, they are often investing in a sense of comfort, identity, and connection. This emotional resonance increases the perceived value of the product and differentiates it from mass-produced alternatives. For a mini woodworking business, tapping into this emotional dimension can lead to stronger brand loyalty and word-of-mouth promotion. From a practical perspective, a mini woodworking business offers remarkable flexibility and scalability. Because operations are small, overhead costs are lower, and artisans can start with basic tools and a modest workspace. This accessibility makes woodworking an appealing path for those who want to turn a passion into income without taking on significant financial risk. As skills improve and demand grows, the business can evolve organically, introducing new designs, refining techniques, and expanding its reach. This gradual growth allows artisans to maintain creative control and ensure that quality remains at the forefront of their work. It also aligns well with the values of sustainability and mindful production, which prioritize quality over quantity. The modern marketplace, especially online platforms and social media, has made it easier than ever for many woodworking businesses to reach a global audience. Customers around the world are searching for unique, handcrafted items that stand out from mass-produced goods. By showcasing their work through visually compelling content and authentic storytelling, artisans can connect with buyers who share their values. This direct connection eliminates many traditional barriers to entry and empowers creators to build profitable businesses on their own terms. The ability to communicate directly with customers also allows artisans to receive feedback, refine their offerings, and create designs that truly resonate with their audience. Ultimately, the inspiration to make money through a unique mini woodworking design business lies in the harmony between creativity, sustainability, and human connection. By crafting authentic, handcrafted designs, artisans can captivate modern customers who value transparency and ethical production. Each piece becomes a reflection of passion, skill, and purpose, offering both aesthetic beauty and meaningful impact. In a world increasingly defined by speed and automation, the slow, intentional art of woodworking stands out as a powerful alternative, one that not only generates income, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship, creativity, and the enduring beauty of handmade design. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked profitable mini woodworking design business ideas from small workshop to build big income. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.